call this lab the Paleo Lab. So I share this with Dr. Aubrey Hillman, and we are both paleoclimate scientists. So we use environmental samples and archives to look at past changes in climate. So Dr. Hillman looks over the past tens of thousands of years, and I use corals to look at the past couple hundred years of changes in temperature and rainfall. We go out and we do field work, we collect the samples ourselves, then we bring that material back here, and then we do all of this kind of lab work. Corals are a lot like tree rings. They grow these annual bands, just like trees grow rings, that we use to count backwards through time. Each sample she drills represents about a month of coral growth. It's very tedious, but it gives us really high resolution records of climate. So we can look at, how has temperature changed over the last 400 years, month by month, or season by season. That allows us to figure out how are we as humans modifying climate, and we feed that into models that are then projecting how is climate going to change in the future.
I use mud from the bottoms of lakes in cores, and I use that to reconstruct past climate changes as well as human-induced environmental changes. First, we go out in the field and we get all that sediment. My students this summer went out to work with me in the field. So we spent 10 days in the Adirondacks a couple weeks ago, and they got the opportunity to go out on the boats, collect everything, see how it's all done, how hard the work is. And then we will subsample everything, usually a couple grams of sediment, dry it in the freeze dryer there. I usually have at least 2 or 3 undergrads every semester kind of working on things. It's a good chance for them to work with my graduate students, and my graduate students get the chance to see what it's like to kind of manage people and make sure everyone's doing tasks on time.
I like lab work. That's what I was looking for. Knowing what it takes, everything you need to do, all of the money, the samples. So I really like that. Every day, every week, it was something cool and interesting.
I'm really, really happy I was able to do this because I think after I'm done working here, I would like to get another lab job. I really enjoy it. All you have to do is just take a little bit of an initial step and inquire about what's going on, and if there's anybody doing research that you might be interested in who's looking for help.
We as scientists are going to play an increasingly important role in scientific communities as we face the impacts of climate change.